Very good afternoon to one and all. I am Radhakrishna Chauhan, working as Secretary, Metropolitan Legal Services Authority at Hyderabad. I am a judicial officer from 2009 batch. Thank you to Khan's Associates, Advocates and Associates who have come up with this kind of lovely program, and Mr. Nizam Ali Khan, Mr. Ghulam Rabbani ji, and other dignitaries, chief guests. Definitely it's a worthy session. Very welcoming note that many people like you are entering into the legal profession. Law set. The exam is, I'm told that tomorrow. So I think you are already ready with the preparation, and I'm not here to tell you as to what to read, because in one day I don't think everything can be read out and prepared, and I'm confident that you have already read sufficient material to crack the exam tomorrow. But I would like to tell you that as to why we should take up this profession, the law. People used to call in the past saying that Emaitaura, doctor, engineer. So there are only two options. क्या बनते भाई? Doctor, engineer? एक पायलट था. मतलब people used to think only these three professions to be huge money earning professions, and people used to adopt only these professions much. But there are so many other professions which are equally important and high earning professions. I call the lawyers and the judicial fraternity people to be the social engineers, because we will be dealing with the people directly, and we will be involved in the reforms. So that's the reason why I call us, including myself, to be the social engineer. Many leaders, even from freedom fighters, have taken this profession, and many of the leaders have done their law. We should be feeling proud to note that the topmost leaders of freedom fighters are the lawyers, like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar garu. You take any, they have done law. Okappudu we were called as Chetu Kinda pleader. Chetu Kinda pleader is the person who sits under a tree and waits for the cases. Now every single lawyer has got their own reputation, have got their own way of tackling the cases, and nowadays we seldom see those kind of things. There are so many opportunities in law. See, why I am telling you this at this moment is, when you are about to write the examination, you should know as to what you would get from this profession at a later point of time if you choose to become a lawyer. ఇది ఇప్పుడు చెప్తే రేపు ఇంకా మోర్ విగర్తో, మోర్ ఎఫర్ట్స్తో you can write the exams అనేసి చెప్తున్నాను. That's the reason why I'm telling this at this moment. If you take up the career prospects, we have the options of becoming a lawyer, which we always know. We can get corporate jobs. Nowadays, a lot of corporate companies are hiring the lawyers for various projects. We have the opportunity of becoming public prosecutors. The government time to time issues notifications for becoming a public prosecutor. Public prosecutor is a government lawyer who argues on behalf of government, the state. There are so many law firms which will be hiring the services of advocates, the lawyers. We have legal advisors option. Legal advisors to banks, legal advisors to financial institutions, the legal advisors to many small scale industries. We have so many opportunities. Again, ఇవేవి లేకపోయినా దేనికి రాకపోయినా టైం బాగాలేకపోతే నాలాక జడ్జి కూడా అవ్వచ్చు, isn't it? So we have the option of becoming a judge, starting from the junior civil judge, who is also called as magistrate, first class magistrate, to the highest apex court, that is the Honorable Supreme Court. You, basing on your standing, your capabilities, you will be able to become a judge of the courts in hierarchy. We have the options of taking up arbitrations. We have the option of taking up mediations. See, nowadays the arbitrators and mediators are highly paid. Don't think that it is only a profession for livelihood kind of thing, but there are advocates who earns in lakhs and crores. So we have the option of again moving to other countries, as the BTech guys do. General ga oka notion entante only BTech jo karta wahi jata bahar. No, even lawyers go. Lawyers are again highly paid in foreign nations. So having a law degree in hand is always a great thing, and we can explore many possibilities. We have lot of career options, and apart from all this, the service satisfaction gives you immense pleasure, because we will be dealing with the daily options of having the cases and dealing with the personal issues of each and every individual. So I would strongly recommend these kind of opportunities, and I also wish many such people come into the profession who are serious about their career, serious about their life, so that the profession also gets glorified. Then how to study? Already మీరు చదివేశారు, పढ़ चुके हो, but yet don't buttify. Just enjoy learning. पेपर पढ़ना कंपलसरी है, so that we get updated. Every day at least one paper is must, so that you are acquainted with the ongoing things in and around. Having knowledge about the society is must for an advocate or a lawyer. Then English, improving the communication skills, improving the language, having knowledge about the GK, the ongoing issues. So law profession is a profession which requires so many things into consideration. So please don't leave. And how to write the exam? See, first of all, I would suggest to write the exam, write the answer to the question which you know perfectly. Write it, immediately close it. Leave the answer which you do not know, and as soon as you complete all the questions which you know, then start from the top again. Try to answer the questions which you left out. Now you can put the extra effort to recollect as to what you studied or what you know. I don't think there is a negative marking. I'm not very sure about it. If there is a negative marking, please leave the answers which you are not sure. If it is not there, try to answer 100%. 10-20 में एक तो लग ही जाएगा. So don't leave such questions even, but try to answer them only at the end. I would again suggest to go through each and every answer you have marked after completing entire examination. People will be in a hurry. I don't know why, what for, because your 2 hours एग्ज़ाम है तो 2 hours एग्ज़ाम के लिए बैठ जाइए ना. 1 घंटे में कंप्लीट करके जाके कुछ तीर मारना तो नहीं है. So just if you have completed within 1 hour, okay, well and good, that's good. After 1 hour you just start thinking, start again going through the paper. You will get the correct answer if you have already read it. Sometimes we'll be marking the wrong answer in a hurry, but if it is with pen, be careful even while marking, because you can't alter the answer. So be careful. We can't change the answer later on. So considering these things into account, keep all these things into account and in your mind. First of all, कल ही एग्ज़ाम तो एक ही दिन में तीर मारने का नहीं है, जैसा मैंने अभी बोला था. Just cool, be cool, comfortable. Recapitulate as to what you have read till now. Recapitulate as to what you had studied in the past too. Just a cursory recapitulation. Be cool, be comfortable, you will get the seat. I wish each one of you get a admission in nice college by getting a good rank in the LAWCET. And as a judge, again, legal awareness program, अभी तो आप आ रहे हो, तो I think we can catch up somewhere in one of the law colleges. I'm not going to leave you anyhow. So at this stage, taking up some legal program would be too early for you. I hope and believe that you will be getting seat in a good college. All the best to each one of you. Thank you to Khan's Associates, Advocates and Associates, who have come up with this kind of lovely program, and Mr. Nizam Ali Khan, Mr. Ghulam Rabbani ji, and other dignitaries, chief guests. Definitely it's a worthy session. Just concentrate, what best you can do it, that's it. So thanks again. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.